step back in time with a piece of communication history. Presenting an authentic 1990s wall-mount rotary dial coin payphone, crafted by Telecom Factory Bombay, a true relic from the era when calls were made with coins and patience. Made from heavy-duty iron, this payphone boasts a rugged industrial design built to last, reflecting the solid craftsmanship of its time. Whether you're a collector, a vintage decor enthusiast, or someone looking to add a unique retro centerpiece to your space, this payphone makes a bold statement. It's in vintage condition, showing the charming signs of age that only time can create. Due to its age, it may not be in working condition, but its historical value and aesthetic appeal remain unmatched. Own a slice of the past, perfect for display, film props, cafes, or man caves. Don't miss this opportunity to own a genuine piece of India's telecom legacy.